So on today's video, we're going to be installing some saddlebags. The not so saddlebag way you should install them, because we ain't got all the accessories for it, for the belts and stuff. What we're using here today is some bungee straps and maybe zip ties. So yeah, it might not work, it might work. Stay tuned to find out. You shall see. We need to take the seat off, and we are getting some tools. That's a fancy tool.
Yeah, this is actually coming from Honda itself.
Honda's being cheap, I could install the latchet.
Yeah, I know it.
That's one way to take a seat off.
Yeah, that's one way.
What's under it? Not a thing. Not a thing. You need an air filter, dude.
Oh, I know. I took it out and looked at it the other day, and it's pretty filthy.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
That's probably a lot of the reason why it don't run top notch.
Probably. Suffocating.
So now we need to figure out, James, how we're going to
mount that. They go the other way.
The bags do?
I think it would look better, guys. What do you think? Yeah, the bags go the other way.
Okay.
Oh yeah, all we need is zip ties. We don't even need them bungees. Yeah, we should be able to do this. What we're doing, just taking zip ties and zip tying these on to the hoops. Yeah, it's kind of redneck, but when you ain't got, you know, the proper stuff to attach it with, these zip ties work out great. I picked these up at Lowe's. We're gonna finish zip tying them and see how sturdy it is, because we got these hooks here we can zip tie to, and then these little tie down points. So the zip ties is on. Now we're just gonna go ahead and cut all the little nipples off, or whatever you call them. I call them nipples.
And as you can see,
guys,
they're
corny.
It's on there. Yep.
It's on there pretty good. Now we're gonna do this side the same way, using zip ties. So now we're gonna go around and cut the zip ties. They need to be cut a little closer, don't you think, Clyde?
Yeah, just a little bit, I guess.
I mean, you could cut down to the nub.
I need a pair of
Well, you need and having is two different things. You got a knife. I bet you guys watching this video is handy with a knife, ain't you? Leave in the comment section if you are. I don't think he's much handy.
That's the friends we got, brothers.
So we're bolting the seat back on, and we get a full view of the motorcycle. It should look pretty damn good. Saddlebag install turns out great, especially from 60 foot away. Zip ties need cut a little bit better, but you know, he's not very skilled with a knife. But it looks pretty good all in all. If you got some old saddlebags and you want to, I'm talking about motorcycle saddlebags, by the way, and if you want to just install them and you ain't got all the hardware, zip ties work out great, as you seen in this video. Now, there should be more videos coming to the channel on this motorcycle, and if you enjoy the motorcycle videos, I got a build playlist on a XV250. Go check it out. We chopped the whole motorcycle down, lower it, put a solo seat on it, and you know, it's just great content. And if you're into motorcycles, I'm sure it's something you enjoy if you didn't know it was on my channel. I'll link a video in the description below so you can find it more easier. And thank you for watching this video on this Honda Shadow. And if you got one, let me know. Thanks again.